Sure that you have an actual comfortable seat for yourself. I know I had said it last time. When your body just feels uncomfortable sitting like this, then you're just kind of setting yourself up for just having to move the entire time, and just all you're thinking about is how uncomfortable your body is. So please take about maybe 20 seconds just to close your eyes, just observe, scan your body, and notice if there are any areas that might feel a little bit tense already, right? So just kind of move into those spaces, maybe a couple little stretches, right? Maybe you just woke up and you are now sitting, so the body still needs to kind of adjust. And then of course, if you need to sit on something, whether it's your a chair or a couch, right? You could sit at the very edge, or a meditation cushion, or even like a block. If you have a yoga block, that's great too. Oh, you know what's funny? I think my phone is in the way of, yep, the Facebook camera. That's really funny. Okay, that's better. All right, so once you have this comfortable seat, let's just take a nice big inhale, lift the arms all the way up, and then exhale and release the arms down. Let's just do 2 more of those. Inhale, lift the arms, and exhale, release. Last one. Inhale, arms lift, and exhale, release. All right, roll the shoulders away from the ears and allow the eyes to close. And just take a moment to tap into the breath. Just observing the inhale and the exhale. Taking a moment to gift yourself this internal connection to breath and body, to that energy that flows within us. Just feeling that gentle pulsation of the energy in your body. All of the millions of things that are going on right now just to keep you alive. These little miracles. Think of this time together this morning as simply an opportunity to connect with your breath. Feeling grateful to be here, to breathe, to feel, to be in the beautiful presence of sunrise, with your inhale, take in peace, breathe in calm, joy, and compassion. And allow each exhale to rid your body and mind of anything that won't serve you anymore. Just allowing that to release. feel the sensations of each breath that you take. How each breath supports you, your body, and your life. With your next inhale, open your heart to this feeling of gratitude. Gratitude for this present moment. Gratitude for this day ahead. Gratitude for the roof over your head. Gratitude for your healthy body that was able to show up this morning. For your strong mind to have the willpower to show up each day. Gratitude for the people in your life that love and support you. Notice your breath. Allow it to maintain calm and steady rhythms. When the mind starts to wander, just bringing it back to the breath. And then very slowly begin to deepen your breath a little bit. And then slowly blink the eyes open when you're ready. Thank you so much for joining me this morning. It's always my honor and my pleasure to be here for you. And have a beautiful, beautiful day. Sun is now up and shining. If you need anything, you know we're here. You can access us through, messaging, or the studio number is my cell phone. So if you guys ever need anything, or if you're interested in anything, or learning more about meditation or whatever, reach out. We're here for you guys. All right. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.